For fixed logs analysis, EPAM has an application called FIXEye. It's a powerful tool for browsing logs containing fixed messages, visualizing the messages, searching for data, and fixed message comparison. For more information on this tool, visit the B2BITS website. The link to the site is in the video description below. By pressing Show All, I can view all the messages sent by the Fix Client Simulator to FIXEdge in the session we just used, called FIXEdge Test Exchange 1. For example, by selecting Orders, FIXEye will show all messages relating to Fix Order message flow. By double-clicking any message, I can open Message Details. This is where FIXEye breaks down the information sent in the message in a legible way. We can see the updated value of tag 11 that we modified in the Fix Client Simulator is shown here. To show you how to use custom filters, I'll load more files from today's session. To do this, I'll first press Add Files, then Browse. Then I'll locate the Logs folder in the file containing FIXEdge. I'll select all the files excluding the folders, press Open, and OK. And if you want to double check that the files have loaded, you can expand this plus and this one, and here you can see all the files that have been loaded. I'm going to go back to the default view. And now that we've loaded all the logs from today, we can search the logs by message content. So other than using predefined filters, we can write a search expression by typing any tag equaling any of the tag's expected values into the custom search here. For example, by typing 35, the tag signifying message type equal 3, the value signifying the reject message, we can filter for message rejects. Here are all the session rejects that we saw today. To show you a little more detail, I'll double-click into the first reject message, expand Message Details, and I can see that the reject reason for the first message is represented by value 2 in tag 373, which is translated from the Fix standard as the tag not being defined for that message type, which is spelled out in the column value name. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this was a helpful demo. If you have any questions or want more information, please contact our support or sales teams. Their email addresses will also be in the description below. And you can always check out B2BITS.com, our website, where you can find links to documentation to each of our products and any more information that you might be curious about.